Hi, I'm Katie from Little Buckeye Children's Museum. Welcome to our virtual art class. Today we will be learning how to make a paper airplane. First step, get a piece of paper. What you're going to do is you're going to fold it so it makes a square and crease it. And you're going to have this extra little piece. So you want to take your scissors and cut that off. Next, you want to open it back up, fold the paper in half, hot dog style. From there, you're going to open it back up again, and then you're going to make two triangles. First with one side, then with the other, and fold them in half like that. And then next, you're going to fold those triangles in half towards the center of the paper to make two more biggish triangles. Either side. From there, you're going to flip the paper over and then fold it in half the other way. And then you're going to fold one side down to the middle and then crease it. The other side down to the middle and crease that side. And then open it back up and you have a paper airplane. Congratulations, you made an airplane.